Hey, if you have the same issue with your AirPods 4, then you get all the time the connection unsuccessful. So basically your AirPods 4 keep disconnecting from your phone when you put them back into the charging case. So sometimes it actually appears also in my case, but what it actually fixes, that you will have to perform the reset. So you will have to place both of them inside the charging case, and you will have to simply unpair them like this. And now you have to close the case, open it, and now perform the reset by tapping right here. Now again, again, and again. And now it will actually turns red. Take a look. And now they are in the pairing mode one more time. So simply connect them. And as you can see right now, everything is fine and we can use AirPods 4. So basically, if you have this issue, then sometimes you will have to perform a hard reset. So that's how you can fix this disconnecting issue of your AirPods 4. Tell me if it works, and thanks for watching.